A day in Pompeii. It was 24th August 79 AD. The day started like any other day. At 8 am, ashes started emitting in the atmosphere. Till 1 pm, the sky had more clouds. Actually, they were not clouds, they were the ashes emitting from Mount Vesuvius. The emission of gases and ashes became stronger, and traces of ashes started falling on the ground. Around 12,000 people had their houses in Pompeii, and 5,000 people were living in Herculaneum. When ashes started falling rapidly on their houses, they locked themselves inside their houses. They didn't have idea of what's going to happen in the next few hours. Now it was 3 pm. Whole sky had been covered with black and dense smoke. The roofs of the houses were partially hidden under the ashes. The lives of the people were in danger. They had less or no chances to escape. Around 5 pm, the sky was completely covered with black smoke, and the emission of gases and ashes as a result of the deadliest volcanic eruption from the Mount Vesuvius was at its peak. The molten rocks or the fireballs were falling on some of the houses and were burning them. The storm of ashes had not stopped yet. It was around 8 pm. The life existence seemed to be impossible in the area. The whole area was fully covered with ashes. Mount Vesuvius had destroyed the city badly. Pompeii was once a rich and cosmopolitan Roman city of trade, which had been buried under the thick layers of ashes and debris. The thick layer of ashes had not buried only the city, but also to the people who were living there. By the end of 24th August 79 AD, the landscape around Mount Vesuvius had completely changed forever, and the city had been disappeared.